So you want to learn how to glow up. Well, let me tell you, you are in the right place. Step in. Look, a lot of men have no idea what they're doing when it comes to fashion. And while we can say, oh, well, we'll put it off to the women, no, there's no excuses. We must be better. So in this video, I will be going over 3 simple steps that you can apply that will literally change everything for you. Step number 1. Find a style that fits you perfectly. Do not be afraid to experiment. You have different styles, different tastes. That is okay. Everybody is different. Do not be a lazy bum and just throw on some sweatpants and a t-shirt every single day. Why? Because our image, men, is everything we have. You see, we're creating a movement, and in order to be at the head of this movement, we need to make sure that we look the part. So make sure that you create your own style that fits you perfectly. Now, step number 2, make sure you buy soap and deodorant that does not have harmful chemicals in it. You see, a lot of you guys just say, hoop-de-doop-de-doo, I'm just gonna go to Target and buy anything. Stop it. Stop just buying what you see on the shelves. Read the damn ingredients. Read it. Read what's on the ingredients label, because a lot of you are putting harmful chemicals, parabens, and fragrances on your body that is blocking your pores and having you smell like horse manure. Disgusting. And step number 3, the very last step, may shock you. You see, the last step is to eat better. Now you may be asking, what on earth does that have to do with me glowing up as a man? Well, look, a lot of you eat like disgusting damn pigs. And here's the problem. A lot of you smell, and that smell is coming from what you eat. And a lot of you try to mask it by wearing deodorant, putting on perfume, and doing all of these things. But the problem is internal, not external. You need to fix the internal first to then get to the external. See, a lot of people aren't going to tell you this, and they're going to beat around the bush, but I'm going to tell it to you straight. You stink. Fix these things and you will be on a much better path to success. Another thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use something called wheatgrass. You see, wheatgrass has what's called chlorophyll in it, and chlorophyll detoxifies the body. It's a natural deodorant. Okay, so you're going to want to use that. I highly recommend it. And if you do all of these things, all of them, you have a chance to glow up greater than you ever thought you could. So thank you for watching. And if you want to understand how to be at the center of the gold mine that's coming, click on this video here.